Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Brian. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and commenting. Those three pieces of engagements go a long way to helping my channel grow. So this is my new to me 2020 Roadglide Limited. I've had it for about 3 months, and I wanted to start my build out series, so this is going to be the first official video of that series. So advanblack was nice enough to send me this color matched tank console. So the one thing I wanted to do with the Limited was make it a little less geezer glide, make it a little bit more sleek, and change the styling of the bike. So like I said, Advan was nice enough to send me this. I've had their products on my Ultra Limited. If you want to look, I'll put a card up here to those videos. So the thing I love about these products is they're color matched. As you can see, they're color matched perfectly, and they're reasonable, great company, super fast shipping. So I was really glad to have them on board for this build. So today we're going to be doing is a really simple install. We're just going to be taking this console off and replacing it with the new one, and we're going to have to disconnect the communication port. It's going to be a really simple install. Now, I did want to go ahead and just for the sake of making this a little bit speedy of an video, I went ahead and installed the rubber pieces that they come with it. So all you're going to do is put the lower side, there's two sides, there's a low and a high side, you put the low side out and line it up on the console. I mean, that's really all there is to it. Put the other one on same way, and you're going to have two screws in the back here that are going to attach this bracket. It's going to be replacing this bracket here. So like I said, that is really all there is to it. Advan has supplied me with some other products for the bike, and I have some other ideas of things I might be purchasing from advanblack for this project. But again, huge thanks to advanblack for supporting this build. It's that kind of support that only comes from you guys engaging with the channel, so thank you as well. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. So we're going to take this bolt off here. It's going to be at least on my bike, it's showing it's a 3/8. I've heard on some it's a 10 mil, but your bike may be different. I'm just going to work this off real easy. Nothing to it, don't need to go crazy. And now we have that off and secure. Now we're going to work on the top. Alright, for the front, what I did is I moved the handlebars to expose this a little bit. It's going to be a 5/32. I'm just going to back this out. Again, no need for a power tool, really simple. I'm going to pop that out. The next thing we want to do is we want to then go ahead and remove the gas cap so we can gain access. And then as you can see, the console is going to lift right out. So in my case, because this is a limited and not a special, there's going to be a few things that we're going to need to do. Now the first thing we're going to need to do is to remove this gasket here. I'm sorry. Remove the overflow tab, overflow tube rather. So we're going to remove that, and then we're going to trace this cable down, and that cable is going to go into this hot mess of wires I have down here, but you'll be able to trace this, and there's going to be a connector, and all you need to do is pop that connector off, and we now have the cover free. So now as you can see, this is going to be really dirty. I'm going to take this old rubber piece off. So now this is really dirty. So the next thing I'm going to do is clean it real quick. And when you come back, we're going to go ahead and apply the new cover. So now what we're going to do is we're going to lay the new console on here. And make sure we get this nice and lined up. This is a 5/32 hex that I'm using. Again, your bike may be different. The beauty of the downside, I guess, of a used bike is you never know what you have on here stock or not. So we're just going to attach that. It's going to take a few tries here. Alright, so I had to do a little bit of adjustment Let's make sure we have that line up. We're just going to tighten that up real quick. And there's that. Going to make sure my wires are nice and out of the way here. Push this down. Get it to start by hand. Make sure everything's nice and out of the way. And off we go, nice and easy. So you're going to see when you get the gas cap, it's going to have these two flat washers, rubber spacers, whatever you call them. Then it has a bigger, rounder one that's on there. The rounded one's more for if you have the tank, because it's the Advan Black matching tank, so it's going to offset it more. This is going to be if you have the standard setup like I do. We drop this in, spin this in. As you can see, I absolutely love the look of this. This is awesome. You want to open up the cap, push and twist. This is going to get me. There you go. You push, twist, comes right off. Put it back on, push it in, and away it goes. So really simple install, and like I said, absolutely love the stuff that Advan Black's putting out, and I really like the way this looks on the bike. So that's all there is to it from that standpoint. Now we're just going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit, and let's show you how it looks. So there you go, guys. I have it with the touring seat that I normally run, which is my Mustang, and you can see the difference. I mean, it looks incredible. Really happy with the way it looks. Gives it a much sleeker look and gives it a much more customizable look. And yeah, really that's all there was to it. Like I said, huge fan of Advan Black products. Huge thank you to Advan Black for sending this to me to do this install in this video for you. Really looking forward to putting some other products of theirs on my bike and really changing the look of it to give it, like I said, more of a customized look. That's really all I had today, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please comment, like, and subscribe. Those 3 engagements really go a long way to helping my channel grow. And as the channel grows, I get an opportunity to work with more of these great channels. I'm sorry, these great companies. And yeah, man. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you're having a great week. Hope to see you on the live later tonight. And please remember, you're not alone. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.